Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Fun with Harshil, and today I am going to tell you six keyboard shortcuts which you should know. That's very important, not important, but you should know those 6 shortcuts. So now the first one is click on Windows on your keyboard and plus. A magnifier will open, plus, and here as you can see my screen is zoomed a lot. There are 2 shortcuts to open this, Windows plus or Windows minus. This time I clicked on Windows minus and this opened. But if I close this, we have got a zoomed out look. But now if I open it back again, I am over here from where I left. But I left it at 800. It is 900 because I pressed Windows plus. But if I press Windows minus, it will be 700. Or I don't know what happened, but because I didn't press Windows minus, and no problem, but we have got a 800 look. Okay, now let us close this and go to the second keyboard shortcut, which is F11. This is a shortcut to zoom in on any of the application. Like if I open this and if I click on F11 on my keyboard by full screening it, now see it's full screened, and if I click on this, we exited the full screen. So this is a very nice shortcut key to zoom in anywhere. We can even do full screen in our browser. Now if I open Chrome and now do Shift 11, sorry, not Shift 11, F11, it's still there. Okay, I think it's not working. Okay, but as you saw before, it was working. I don't know, I think I pressed some other key, but the shortcut to do the full screen is F11. It may not work in that Chrome, but it will work on other apps. So our third keyboard shortcut is Windows plus L. Now if I click on Windows key and L on my keyboard, we have got zoom, we have come over here and sign in, and here we go and see our desktop. This is the shortcut to lock your computer. As you saw that I logged my computer. If you have like this you can lock your computer easily, Windows plus L, and here we go. And now the fourth keyboard shortcut is Control plus Alt plus Delete. That is the keyboard shortcut. You will see the interface where will be log, switch user, sign out, change your password, task manager, and cancel. Click on log and here we go. And here we got the fourth keyboard shortcut, 2 keyboard shortcuts left. Okay, the fifth one is Windows plus A to open the notification bar. Windows and A to open the notification bar. Here I can see the notifications, all these. Currently I deleted all the notifications. Just in front of you. And here we can see a snip screen button. Now you may be thinking why I clicked on it, because I'm going to tell you a shortcut on snip screen, which is Windows plus Shift plus S, and here we got that. And so guys, for now, thanks for watching.